How do I care for Eucalyptus Oil Sealer on outdoor furniture? Eucalyptus is the fastest growing and is an environmentally friendly dense hardwood. Like other hardwoods, it requires proper maintenance to keep it looking new. Hardwood is a natural living fiber that over time lightens in sunlight and weathers to a light silver color if left unprotected from the elements. Furniture made from eucalyptus wood has straight, light wood grain similar to teak with pinkish brown tones. Things you'll need: washcloth, scrub brush, mild soapy water, outdoor hardwood linseed oil, 2 clean dry cloths. Wash eucalyptus furniture to remove dirt and debris with a clean cloth and water. Use a mild soap such as dish detergent and a scrub brush if there is persistent dirt. Mold, pollen and cobwebs are common on neglected outdoor furniture. Rinse eucalyptus furniture thoroughly and allow it to dry completely. Move the eucalyptus furniture to a shady location and apply linseed oil liberally over surface. Wait 1 to 2 hours and wipe remaining oil from surface of eucalyptus furniture. Allow furniture to dry completely before returning it to sunlight or using it. This will take at least 4 to 6 hours of dry time depending on temperature and humidity. Repeat this process 2 to 4 times a season in the spring and summer.